There are different ways to write HTML color codes, for example RGB, HEX and HSL. In previous video, we discussed about RGB. I will add the link of the video in the description or in the pop-up on the right side. Today we will discuss about HEX. It is the most popular format. Here is the format. First of all, you need to add hash, and then in pairs you add first 2 digits indicating amount of red, and then 2 digits indicating the amount of green, and then 2 digits indicating the amount of blue. Combining all these colors, we have the final output. So each digit can range from 0 to F. 0 is the minimum, F is the maximum. It is hexadecimal system. Let us try to understand the hexadecimal system. We use usually decimal values, which is base 10. It ranges from 0 to 9, total 10 digits. And in hexadecimal system, base 16, we have minimum 0 and maximum F. 0 to 9, then we have A, B, C, D, E, F, total 16 values. Let us check some examples. Here we have a HTML document, and we have the body here, and we have H2 here. We have a background color. Using the style tag, we will do experiment on this H2. Let us check the output. Save, reload. You see the output is back. Now let us duplicate this. Save. Here the value I will put is FF, the maximum value. You see the output is red. I am also changing the digit here as FF. I will again duplicate this H2 and make the middle value as FF. Save. Also copy the value here on the right. Load. So this is the green color and this is the hex code. And then I will again copy and paste the H2, and here change it as 00 and the final 2 digits as FF. Also copy the value here on the right side. Save, and let's check the output. So this is the blue hex code and this is the blue color. Here is the black color. Okay, so now we understand how hex code works. Finally, we shall discuss about alpha value. Alpha value means the amount of transparency in the color. How transparent the color is or how opaque the color is. To indicate that, we need to add 2 digits which ranges from 00 to FF. 0 is the minimum, F is the maximum. So here we will do experiment on the red color. Now I will add alpha value to the red color. We will try to make it transparent. So take lower values, for example 2. Save. So you see the red is very transparent. We can see the background black color through it. Let us check the output. You see, here is the output. The red is now transparent. Let us try to do some experiment on the blue again. Maybe make it BB. Save and load. It is little bit transparent. Finally, you can use color picker. You can choose color from here and the opacity from here. You see the color has changed. The green color transparency has changed. At last, how many hex colors can there be? If you cancel the alpha value, you have total 6 digits here. For every digit, you can have 16 values, 0 to F. So for 2 digits, you can have 16 multiplied by 16 equals 256 values. So for 3 pairs, you can have 256 multiplied by 256 multiplied by 256 equals 16 million values, more than 16 million values. If you have any question or comments, please add them in the comment section. Thank you.